Hey guys!
Welcome
back to our What Sold video. And we have 26 pieces going out today. This is what we sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Let's go!
Alright, so we're going to start off with eBay, and first going out we have a vintage Hard Rock Cafe Montreal single stitch t-shirt. And I think this may have gone for a little bit more, but it went for $12 plus shipping. And this has been sitting around for almost a year now, and it's sort of stained, so we were pretty much happy to take whatever we could for this. We have a good sale going on eBay right now at about 30%, so it went in this sale and we're happy to ship it out. Now we're going to find this in bin B, and you can see by our SKU system 0523 is the first number, and that is the date that we listed it, so in May of last year. And the next one is B, and that is the bin we're going to find it in here. And the third number there is, I believe, 160, and that is what I paid for it, or an average cost of goods. So if you want to start implicating a SKU system like that so you get a good insight on how long it takes for things to sell and what you paid for it, you know, if you're going to take an offer or something, that's a good thing to do. I definitely recommend doing that. Now, we're going to find this. Here we go. Hard Rock Cafe. It's got the nice neon colors. Oh, pretty sweet, but it's a little dingy.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's just a little bit, though.
Yeah, we're going to take a good offer on that. $12 plus shipping. Pretty sweet. All right, next going out, in bin I, we're going to find a Sony Dream Machine alarm clock. Now, I've sold a ton of these before, especially Sony branded. Some vintage alarm clocks go pretty well as well. But you can always almost count on the Dream Machine. Check out the model number and what you might be able to get for it. This one went for $12.72 plus $11 shipping. So, you know, if you could pick this up for like $1 and have some fun, you know, testing it out, and you'll see some profits with that Sony. Now, this has been I.
Dream Machine. You're my dream machine, Dave.
Oh my gosh. You are my dream machine.
I had to. I'm sorry, you guys. That was like so right in my face.
Yeah, it just walked over that. Oh my gosh. You know what? And
what?
I see one more thing that is in bin I that was also sold. And I think these went on Mercari. Check out these gloves.
On Mercari. Aren't those wicked? What are those? Flies?
Yeah, like a fly graphic. Ooh. Really colorful.
Cool.
And those were for, let's see, I don't know, those went on Mercari pretty quickly.
Those are cool.
I believe $20 I think we took an offer for right away.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Or maybe that was Poshmark. But we're going to also find on eBay here. Now, you'll remember us finding these in a yard sale video that it was like a rainy barn, right? And one of the best things that we found there was a big tub full of pet soap. Now, this is from a repeat buyer. So they bought some from us before and we're like, hey, we like this. And we took an offer today of $25 on a lot of 6 of these. Now, these were all sort of like mismatched ones, different ones. And, oh, here they are. All right, so there's different flavors, if you will, of soap here. So this happy customer came back and bought some more. They're going to have some super fresh smelling pets here for the coming months.
Yeah, stocking up for the summer.
Right? Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's so cool. So we're really grateful for that. And let's see. Next going out, we got some hats. A couple of hats. Now, we'll find these back over here. I went and selected these already. This one actually comes from a repeat buyer as well. This buyer bought this Quicksilver hat and said that it was just too big. So I accepted the return, of course, and he actually came back. He's like, you know what, maybe I can shrink it. You know, this must be the only one on the internet, and this is the one he needs or something, because he's willing to buy it again and shrink it himself. So, all right, you know, hey, sounds good. Once again, we have these on sale, and it went for $12.05 plus shipping. Pretty cool. A couple more hats while we're in the hats here. And checking out those soaps.
Those soaps, I was just sniffing them. They smell so good.
I know, right? Here's another hat that's sold. This one, I believe, went on Poshmark. And that went for, I believe, $12 or so.
Cute.
I know, this is a kid's hat. Pink. 47 brand. And it's even got a cute little heart.
I like that. Yeah, that's what's cute about it.
For sure. So that sold really fast, like the same day we listed it.
Wow.
All right. Here's another hat that didn't sell as fast.
No.
But it did sell on eBay.
Picked it up a while ago.
Yeah, and this is made by Land's End too, which is a really great brand. Michelle, you really brought this one to my attention. And this ladies bucket hat went for $10.71 plus shipping.
Yeah, and it's a puffer. It's like a little puffer hat. It's really cute.
Yeah, it's got that texture, really cool. And that sat around for like 5 or 6 months, so not too bad there. I would pick that up again. You know, if we picked it up for like $1 or something, why not? So we're also going to check out some toys that sold on eBay. And the first one is, we're going to find that in bin A1, and this is something that I also literally played with when I was younger, one of my childhood toys. I told you like in the last video that I just went ahead and listed all that stuff. I just really don't need this. And this is a fun little, kind of like Garbage Pail Kids, is what it reminds me of.
Yeah.
You know, it's just wacky. Fun little toy. That went for $12, free shipping. So then, you know, it'd be like $4 to ship that. No problem. Another toy going out on eBay is a Jurassic Park Velociraptor. Just a little toy dinosaur. And that is right behind you, honey.
Whoops.
These are also in the small bins over here. I like to put small stuff with small stuff so it doesn't get confused. You don't want to dig for this in like a bin with a blanket or something, you know. So this went for $10 plus shipping, guys.
Where's Baby Homer?
I know. Oh my gosh, he would just love this thing.
He would love that.
I know.
Baby Homer's missing.
Oh my gosh, he must be eating something.
Like the couch.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh, can you believe this little toy dinosaur? Look for the JP when you find dinosaurs. And, you know, $10 for this thing. Holy cow. Great. We'll take it. Another thing going out that's not necessarily a toy, but it was a board game piece. Now, this went for only $6.69 free shipping. We can almost put a stamp on this because it's an instructional booklet. I don't recommend sending things on eBay with a stamp, even though something like this is certainly, you know, you could send this in an envelope, of course. There's no tracking with a postage stamp, so, you know, we'll just it'd be like $4 to ship it out or whatever. Again, these were on sale probably from like $10, most of these here. Along with a lot of these DVDs and media. So right over here, we have a stack that's going out of media. Most of these movies aren't going for, you know, crazy money or anything because they're on sale, but we're getting rid of them, and that is good. Mickey Blue Eyes, brand new and sealed. We have Bad Influence, which is brand new and sealed. This looks like a movie from the 80s. Has Rob Lowe, James Spader. A Clockwork Orange, if you don't remember that. Just crazy classic. Really weird movie. One of my favorites here from the 80s, Summer School. Oh my gosh, guys, if you haven't seen this one, try to find that if you can. It's going to be a hard DVD to find. Bull Durham, another classic 80s movie. Kevin Costner, Tim Robbins, Susan Sarandon, good baseball movie. I really like this one too. Awesome. Here is a Brad Pitt 3-movie pack here with a few of his movies. And Barney, VHS tape. Whoa, hey, didn't expect that one, did you? That actually went for like $8 or $9 or something, free shipping. Media mail, of course, we could ship it for like $4. So I found this in the bins for, I don't know, like a nickel, probably. Anyway, so those are the media picks that are going out this time. Now, we got a few more things down here that went on eBay, so let's find those. One of them is in bin V, and that is a Logitech Harmony Smart State remote control. Now, if you remember watching our How to Sell Remote Control video, you'll remember that Logitech Harmony is one of the remotes to look out for. This one sat around for a really long time, guys, though. When I picked this up, I was like, wow, sweet, Harmony, you know, and this thing sat around for years. So I'm really happy to see that go. We took a discounted price for it, once again, $16.74. Free shipping. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, we're giving this one away. So some of these models, though, are really, really good to look out for. This is a really old one, though. Now, something that did not sell take long at all to sell. I was really surprised at this. We picked this up at Value Village, if you remember that thrifting video not too long ago. This is a Kinyo Super Slim Beta Video Rewinder. Now you remember like VHS rewinders. This one was for a beta tape, and that is something that we actually didn't have laying around to be able to test it. So this went untested. Of course, we clearly stated that it was untested, and for parts, it probably works, but selling it for parts went for $12.99 plus 11 something shipping.
Wow.
Yeah, for sure. So it's a really rare piece, really, because it's a beta rewinder, which is really hard to find. Like I said, we didn't even have one sitting around to test it, so we'll sell it that way. That was in bin W, and that's right over here. I stuffed this bin the other day with some stuff.
I see Cuisinart parts in there.
Cuisinart parts, I certainly listed some. We just picked up some more, so I'll be listing some more and selling some more soon. All right, so also down here, selling on eBay anyway. You'll remember us finding this in another sort of like rainy day barn sale video, but this was a smaller one. It was at in the back of a church. We went in there and some ladies were just super nice and practically giving us stuff. They didn't give us these, but they gave us a really good deal on these bodybuilding statues. Now, if you remember that video with the Niles Anderson female bodybuilder, the bronze finished sculptures over here. So I went ahead and I sort of pre-packaged these, or at least gave them a bubble wrapping while they're being stored. And let's see, I think it is, no, not that one. There are 3 different kinds here, and one of them, there's a quantity of 2. Not that one, I think that's this one. Okay, this one right here. So, oh my gosh, guys, these are, there's a few of them on the internet, there's a few of them, for sale, but there's a lot of different ones, and not many of the female bodybuilders. So we thought we'd price these sort of high and, see what came in. And putting them on sale for about 30% off, we got $46.89 plus $42.71 shipping. So they paid a total of nearly $90 for this one statue here. So pretty cool, I would say. And we still have a few more. I don't know if she gave us, do you remember what?
I don't know, but I bet you whomever purchased this, when they open and see how beautiful it is, I bet you they're gonna want some of the other ones too.
Hopefully they'll come back.
They're really unique and beautiful.
Absolutely, let's hope so as well. I know, it'll be really great. So we still have a few left.
Yeah.
Yeah, so also, let's see. There are a few more items here that sold on Poshmark down here, and we're gonna go and find one of those in bin H2 over here. Let's check that out.
Whoa, excuse me.
Sorry.
Oh, we got some new bins and stuff. Ooh, the pile.
The pile is getting bigger.
It is.
Now this one is something that I love to sell. You'll hear me say this a million times. If I could sell nothing but baseball gloves, that's all I would sell, because they're just so easy to sell and they sell really fast. Just like this Mizuno Premier Professional Model 12-inch. This thing went for $36.99 free shipping, and we always stuff these in a padded flat rate envelope for like $8. So you could ship them anywhere in the country for $8 baseball gloves. And nothing's gonna happen to it. People beat these things with a baseball bat, when they're wet to break them in. Nothing's gonna happen to it in the mail that, is gonna affect it. So ship these out when you can, guys. Pick them up, look up the model numbers. We're gonna find this one in H2. This one's a really nice one. It's got a good quality. Right here. Just nice soft leather. Feels really nice. Mizuno's a good brand. So yeah, that's a $37 glove right there, used. All right, so we have a couple of plush going out. Now, these actually went on Poshmark. You'll remember us finding this in a yard sale video way back in the day, when one of our first videos together. And this is an Angry Birds green plush, 7-inch. And this went for $12.72 plus shipping. Now that is pretty awesome, considering that it is a little plush toy. And Angry Birds isn't as popular as it was, say, when the movies were out and things like that. But yeah, guys, when you check out these pigs actually sell, if you can find the ones with the hats on them and things like that, they're even better. So Angry Birds plush still, especially the pigs. Keep an eye out for those. Another plush going out is this Texas Chainsaw Massacre Loot Crate exclusive. That went out on Poshmark, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. You know, around $10 or so. So fun little toy here. We love selling those cute little things.
An Elmer toy. Just kidding.
Also, in bin K2, something that we love selling is undergarments. What do you say, honey?
Oh yeah, undergarments.
We will sell socks and underwear, t-shirts, things like that. Quite a bit. They're just so easy to list, store, and ship. People use them daily. You know, like 90% of the people on Earth, you know, use these things. It's not quite toilet paper, but you know, something like this. Look out for it, guys. When you see it in the thrift store, they're still brand new, sealed. Scan them, check them out. You can get them for a few dollars. They're usually worth finding. All right, so there is 2 more things, guys, that have sold, and we're gonna find those upstairs in Michelle's Attic of Wonders. So let's go up there.
Ooh. The Attic of Wonders. Welcome. We'll see. All right.
Okay. First thing that we're gonna find up here is Gap Quilted Gray Zip Sweatshirt, women's size medium, and that is number, drum roll, yep, we hear the number, number 146. So, I think that, oh yes, it's gotta be in there. Oh, that one's stuffed, yep.
This one?
Yep, 146. And we're looking for a gray zipped hooded sweatshirt.
Oh, wait, it's right here, yep.
Oh, perfect.
146.
Awesome.
Yeah, this one's really cute. Yeah.
That's pretty cool, because that went for $18.
Yes, it sat in my closet forever.
Yes.
But still, I'm glad I got 16 bucks for it.
Heck yeah. Hence the number 146. It was like the 146th listing that you made, or, you know, in essence.
Yeah.
So that was
And it was the Gap, excuse me, it was a Gap, but it had a really cool texture to it, which made it special. Yeah, as a zipper, cool, like little zipper jacket. Yeah, so this one took a while to go, but
that is awesome.
Yeah, I like this one. All right.
All right, and last but not least, you took an offer of $25 for this today, and that is an Escada Sport pink button-down shirt, women's size small. And we'll find that in bin I over here.
Oh, here it is. Yes.
Oh, cool. There's a nice little logo on there.
Yeah, that's the logo. Yeah. Oh, yay!
Well, guys, congratulations when you have that awesome day of sales and you get all those items shipped out to a bunch of happy customers. It feels so good, right?
It does, it does.
Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see you guys next time.
Yep.
Hats up to you.